So rattan's a growing palm and it's often referred to as wicker. And wicker, in fact, is the weave and rattan is the plant. And it's used quite extensively at the moment because it's quite trendy as inserts indoors and for kitchen cabinetry and inserts for panels or paneling. And that's because it offers a really nice textural element to sometimes a stark environment, and it gives it that really nice soft feel. And most people would be used to the rattan as chair inserts. 30, 40 years ago, it was quite common, and it's actually now coming back and getting a lot of repairs of cane chairs, etc., etc. But now it's being used a lot in joinery items for kitchen cabinetry, wardrobes, ceiling inserts, or panels in restaurants, for instance. And there are two types of rattan really in terms of the weave type. We call one closed weave, where you don't have any openings, and then you've got your open weave rattan. And we currently have 18 designs that we continue to develop. And the rattans come from Indonesia or Vietnam, and that will lend itself to different colour options naturally. And of course, we can always bleach the rattan, we can take the skin off it, we can dye it to different colours. So there are a lot of design variants that are available to you as our clients.